Hey everybody, welcome back to Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today's video is a very quick tip looking at how to fix your local dictionary if you've made any mistakes. So I have a typo in here, and if I wanted to ignore this spelling just for this one thing, just to pretty it up or whatever, I can hit ignore spelling. But learn spelling makes it always remember this, and these buttons are very close together, so I've sometimes hit learn spelling, which is not what I want, and now I'm never going to be notified of this typo again. There is a way to fix that pretty easily. Sometimes you can right-click and you can unlearn spelling. This doesn't always show up, and this kind of requires you to remember that you learned a misspelling of a word. Kind of annoying. So here's how you can fix it. You want to go to Go in the Finder. So go to Go, hold down the Option key, and Library will appear. From the Library folder, you're going to look for Spelling as a folder down here. Local dictionary is what you want, and if we go to BBEdit or whatever text editor you want, here are the words that you've allowed or that you've added to your dictionary. So you can see I've actually added a typo for computer and going, which I just added. So let's just remove those lines, save it, and done. Now those are removed from my local dictionary and everything will just work great. I'll be notified of typos again. Go in there and check it out. Maybe there's some words you've accidentally added over the past and you can remove them now, but that's it. A very quick tip for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.